What's going on, dudes? About to get off of work. I gotta go home and pick up Nicholas. I have a new exciting Funko Pop to open for you guys. But first I have to stop at the comic store. And before that, I may or may not need to require a trip to 7-Eleven. It's Slurpee Tom, bro.
I haven't actually tasted these myself, but he's got Armando flavor written all over him, my son.
Hi, Nicholas. What'd you do at school today? Yeah? We gotta stop at Target really fast. But when we get home, we can open up Funko Pop, okay?
They're not super pop.
So ironic! Not a heart made by man. When broken is easily fixed. But a human heart got lost. La la time. Wrath?
Oh,
You're eating out of a Ninja Turtle bowl?
look at that.
What's up, everybody? Just got back home. I shouldn't have got that Slurpee. It upset my stomach. I don't normally eat. I don't normally drink sweet, sugary things like that, like soda or anything. Just I already consume enough bad things. I gotta limit where I can. And oh, you're dropping all the toys, Nicholas. Anyways, the Funko Pop I was mentioning earlier just came in from Amazon. Check out that pristine packaging for protection, bros. Once again, it's times like these that I'm glad I'm an out-of-box collector. But yeah, let's just open this up and let's see what's in here. Nicholas, we're dropping everything. I have some of the recent Funko Pops we got. I haven't really displayed them yet, but so they're just sitting here on this desk. But he's knocking them all over. Anyways, okay, yeah. Already in here, the bottom flap is loose. But let's just get it open. Okay, bottom flap's open. Let's just close this up. We got the 7-Eleven exclusive black and white Deadpool holding a chimichanga. This guy started hitting 7-Eleven stores throughout the country 2 or 3 weeks ago. And it was really hard to get for people. I saw how crazy people were going for hunting 7-Eleven, 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 and I think secondary price started skyrocketing because it's so rare. And I was like, oh, that's a cool looking pop, but I'm not gonna go through the trouble of trying to hunt this. You playing with ghosts? But Amazon, all of a sudden, I got a notification from Funko Finders on Instagram that this was on Amazon, and it was $13.99 with free Prime shipping. So I got really lucky to get this. The box actually is pretty good. There's
I want to open that.
There's some crushed there's some physical damage on the box in this corner. But who cares? Let's open this guy up.
It's a bobblehead.
It's a bobblehead?
Yeah.
He's playing with ghosts from the upcoming Ant-Man and the Wasp movie. So, guess who else is a bobblehead? Deadpool! Look at this guy.
I want Deadpool.
You want Deadpool?
See.
Careful, you're gonna scratch them. Now let me show the camera, okay? So we've got Deadpool. He's holding his sword with this hand. He's holding the sword with this hand, and he's got a chimichanga in this hand. This is an awesome pop.
It's a bobblehead.
I didn't think I was ever gonna own this, but I got lucky. Got it on Amazon before it sold out, and here it is. Just wanted to show you guys that sometimes if you really want something, patience works out. I wish I didn't get that Slurpee. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Peace.